Kia ora everyone and welcome to another science video with me, Kade, and my lovely assistant Harper. Kia ora, Harper.
Kia ora, Uncle.
Today we're going to be doing a nice simple experiment. All you need is a balloon, some baking soda, a bit of water, an empty bottle, and a bit of vinegar. So first off, that's baking soda. First off, what we're going to do is chuck this funnel into the balloon. If you don't have one of these, that doesn't matter. Just ask Mum or Dad to help you hold the balloon open. Harper, if you can put some baking soda in that funnel for me. In there. Perfect, thank you so much. And we'll shake that in, and you hold that teaspoon. We'll get rid of our funnel. What we're going to do is pour, you hold that for me. We're going to pour this water, hold that, into this bottle. It's about 2 cups of water.
We put this over.
We will indeed. First we're going to put this vinegar into the water. Mix that together, just like that. And then next up, we're going to stretch this balloon over the top of the bottle, but make sure not to pour the baking soda in until you've got that over, just like that. Then what we're going to do is we're going to tip that onto there. You ready?
Yeah.
Okay, let's go. Pour all our baking soda in, and hopefully what we'll see is our balloon blowing up. Pretty cool, eh?
Now what are you going to do?
It's going to keep blowing up. Say thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching.
Cheers, see you next time.